Hello you guys, welcome back to Video Tech Up. Today we will be talking about how to edit sports videos and enhance your sports highlights in the easiest way. Creating sports highlight reels is a fantastic way for fans to celebrate their favorite athletes. It also helps those athletes showcase their best moments. These compilations highlight skills and achievements, making it easy to share excitement and impress coaches and fans alike. And in this video, we will walk you through how to effortlessly edit sports videos and enhance your sports highlight using AI. Before we dive into today's tutorial, let me introduce the sports video editor we'll be using, and that is VideoProc Converter AI. This powerful yet user-friendly software is perfect for creating highlight reels, featuring a video cutter, trimmer, splitter, and merger for easy organization. Its toolbar includes tools for speed and audio adjustments, watermark and subtitle additions, color filters, and lens correction. Plus, with its advanced AI features, you can effortlessly elevate your highlight reels, ensuring stunning visuals and smooth playback. Now free download VideoProc Converter AI through the link in the description box down below. And let's get into the tutorial. First, launch VideoProc Converter AI and go to the Video Converter panel. And import the sports clips you want to edit. Select your desired export format. And here I'll choose MP4 with H.264. Then in the Quick Edit toolbar, click on Cut to organize and rearrange your footage. Drag the controls to trim out any unwanted parts and keep the best shots. You can also click the upward and downward arrows to adjust the sequence. Next, head to the Video and Audio tab to apply speed adjustments. And enhance the audio volume for greater emotional impact. Close-ups are crucial in sports videos, but if you didn't capture any, you can use the crop tool to focus on specific actions or athletes. Enable the crop tool and adjust the crop box to create your desired close-up. If you want to give the video a more fresh look, you can use the Effects tab to add various effects and adjust parameters like brightness, contrast, and hue as needed. Lastly, feel free to add a logo or watermark to your video using text, images, or timecodes if necessary. And here I am gonna use the timecode. Once finished, click Done to apply all your changes. Now, click on the Run to export the sports highlight reels. If you want to enhance your sports video further using AI tools, re-import the video and use the AI tabs to upscale its quality and smoothness. Here is a comparison of the video before and after using 3 AI features. Alright, this is all for today's video, and leave a comment down below to let us if it helps. And if you want to know more about video processing, click that subscribe button to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and we will see you in our next video.